Today I want to take you through how you are going to send messages, okay, from one group to another in a professional way. Okay, you enter your WhatsApp. When you're in, you go to where the message is. So I want to go to archive. So when you're in, I want you to take note of something. Okay, when you look at the messages Pastor Eli sent, you will notice that his messages come clean and crisp. Look at Christian Library Nation and the books, neatly done. But sometimes I find that some of us have forwarded attached to our messages. Okay, now this is the way some of us send our messages. You long press on this. Some icons will appear at the top. There's this arrow showing you if you want to go back, and the one is saying if I highlighted one. This other arrow is showing you want to reply to this particular message, and then the delete icon. Now this is the copy icon. We're coming back to it, but this is what most people do. They press on the forward. I'm going to be sending it to myself. Okay, so when you come here, you search the particular group you want. So I'm sending it to myself. Can you see there's forwarded at the top? Now we're going back and I'll show you how to send the same message without having forwarded attached to it. Having the forwarded doesn't look professional. So I'm going back to archive, scroll to books of the day. So you long press. Now, if the message is a text only message, you will only see the copy. Apart from the delete and the back and the reply, you will see the copy and the forward. When you click at the three dots here, there won't be any share option here. You can see star, reply privately, label message, add quick reply, message early, report early. So if you want to send this message as professional, you're supposed to copy. So click on the icon for copy, then you go to where you want to send it. I'm sending it to myself, so I click here and then I long press. There's a paste option. You click on paste. Can you see it? Can you see the two messages? This one has the forwarded, whereas this one comes clean. Can you see? So let's go and you see how I'll send the books. You go back to the archive. Of course, the first thing you do when you're sending a book is to download, or document is to download it. I've downloaded this. You can decide to download another. Okay, so this is how you download. You long press. Options come up at the top. Now this was what most of us do. After the delete icon, there's a share. This is a share icon and then the forward. What most of us do is click on the forward and then we just go, sorry, I'm sending to myself, so you can see the forwarded here. It's at the top. Then let's go back. Let me show you the right thing to do so that your message, the document comes clean as a professional. So you go back to the same book, long press. Now, I've told you what these icons at the top mean. This is the share button. You click on the share icon, and then this window pops up. If the library or the person you're sending it to does not appear here, you click on WhatsApp. Then you can search. sometimes it pops up like here, I'm already here. So I simply click on, sorry, I have to wait. Yeah, click on myself and then I send. It still brings me here. That's if I want to add a caption, of course I don't. So I send. So you can see the difference. Okay, this one comes with forwarded, and this is just scripts and looking beautiful and professional. So that's how you send message from a group or from your whatever message you want to send to another group or person without having this forwarded attached to it. So, and that's what is expected of you, to do it as a professional.